Hi, my name is Ashley and I'm running to be your next VP Heath Park. During my time at Cardiff, I've had the opportunity to work with services in the SU, reaching out to students and raising awareness about campaigns. I would like to continue the work I've done and be elected as your next VP Heath Park. I'm going to focus on the following points. First, your student experience. I want to bring the experience of Gate students to the Heath, get all officers involved and collaborate with healthcare societies. Second, your student engagement. I want to promote campaigns such as Speak Week in a way that is suitable for you so that your voice is heard. Third, support. I want to make services more accessible and placement friendly, as well as continuing to lobby the university for more support tailored to healthcare students. For more information about my campaign, follow me on socials at Ashley for VP and read my manifesto. Lastly, I would like to encourage you to use your vote to decide who your next VP Heath Park will be. It doesn't matter whether it is me or the other candidates, but make sure that you get informed and vote. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Miraj Raval and I would like to be our next Vice President of Heath Campus. I am currently a student of MSc Physiotherapy and also a part of Postgrad Executive Committee. I was also the cultural head of my college in my undergraduation, but that's enough of me for now. Let me take you through a quick roller coaster ride about my aims. First, I would be shaping the course structures and including more practical based approaches. Second, I would be enhancing the campus experience of Heath, as we often feel overlooked, right? This can be achieved by a simple health checkup camp that could be beneficial to each and every student of the university. Third, I will be setting up a more convenient way of transport like a shuttle bus for the healthcare students. Finally, I'll be working towards the enhancement and delivery of the modules, as it has concerned a lot of students. In general, even the smaller of the smallest problems and bigger of the biggest problems will be equally addressed. Now I hope you know whom to vote.